Hello guys, I wanted to do a video showing you how to use two boxes of the same size and combine them so you can get a bigger box without having to pay to buy one. I have two U-Haul boxes here, both medium size. Just put the flaps up on both of them. On the bottom box you have two flaps on the outside and the other two flaps on the inside, like so. Then you can just raise or lower it according to your needs to get the right length for your item. Then just tape the boxes in place. Just easily tape the flaps around the outside and you're good to go. Feel free to like, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. God bless.